Hello everyone, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com, bringing to you today another color of our SPC Super Core. We call this one Caribou, model number BSPC111. I've put together a small section here on the showroom floor. This is a whole box that is racked out, so we can show you all the color range in this floor. It's got some light almond colors, some brown, some gray, and even a little hint, just a slight undertone of some little bit of red. You can see that just kind of come out here and there in the color blend of this floor. Based on an oak grain design, it's pretty much just a clean, minimal character, refined oak look. Got all the wonderful variation tones. Really makes it look natural and realistic. Get a little close up on some of the character for you. And there you have it. Go ahead and get some samples directly on our website at WeShipFloors.com. Put in the BSPC111 model number to get right to the page. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.